Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart here at St. Luke's. I'm outside on their basketball court and I got to speak in their gymnasium right behind me here to the pre-K all the way through 8th grade. And it was just a beautiful opportunity to really speak some truth and really bring Christ into the equation of when it comes to looking at someone's heart first, when it comes to the topic of bullying, which was the main focus today, that we do see people as our brothers and sisters before anything else. We see them as human beings. We see them like God sees all of us, for our heart first, our heart as big as our fist. But if we're able to let Christ fully enter our heart to heal us, if we are hurt people who hurt people, we can turn that into healed people who healed people and start to turn this into this, right? Peace sign, one finger ourself, the other someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourself, if we choose to do that, and know that all these acts of kindness that can potentially change a life forever, change a heart forever, it just takes 2 seconds. It's one breath, it's one heartbeat, it's one action, it's one word, and that 2 seconds can sometimes be the difference in someone's entire life. We shared a lot of examples about that. We talked about that with the younger group, student that was born just like all of us, but had unfortunately lost his arms during a rare bacterial infection as an infant. And being on the basketball court here, we spoke on how a lot of students at first did not accept him because they thought he couldn't play. He had no hands, no arms, but he turned out to be a really good shooter, right? And it was pretty incredible for them to start to witness that live and see the need to open our hearts for the first time around. That it shouldn't take whether somebody's born different or if they're taller or shorter or skinnier or a different skin color, or they walk different or talk different or see different or hear different or learn different, that we still show them that same compassion and empathy that Christ shows all of us. And it comes back to Matthew 22, right? That we talk about how when they asked Jesus, what's the greatest commandment? He said, love the Lord your God with all your heart, mind, soul, spirit, everything you got. But the second just like it, love your neighbor as yourself. And we spoke on the need that if we don't even love ourselves first, how can we go and give that love to our neighbor, to our brother, to our sister, to be that best friend to someone else and see their heart first, and to truly glorify God, give him all the praise he deserves and all the love he deserves. But we need to first and foremost love ourselves, heal inside, and then start to help others see that they're just as beautiful as each one of us as children of God, made in his image and likeness. And so that comes down to also recognizing our worth, like the shirt I have here, miracle on the front, worthy on the back, and it focuses on the palm of our hands. A lot of students had that traced with a washable marker during lunchtime today, but the lines of our hands showing the M for miracle, upside down W for worthy, and understanding that all of us are true miracles. Isaiah 49 says, I have engraved you on the palm of my hands. And this is the proof, right? And now it's up to us, once we believe that and buy into that, knowing that we are good enough, we go out into this world and we start to show others that same human kindness that was shown to us from our Creator, our perfect example of perfect love. And we follow his lead and stand up for what's right and have the courage to do what's right and make the right choice to uplift others higher than ourselves, to build them up and not bring down, and to help them really be the light to their heart, to help them realize their worth, especially if they forgot that and need to be reminded of that. So again, an amazing time. I'm so thankful, so blessed to have had the opportunity with everybody here, whether it was the football story with the older group with Keith or the basketball story with Jamari, and that no matter someone is born different, that we can still choose to honor and respect them and treat them the way that we want to be treated as Christians, as Catholics. That's our job. That's our human responsibility, our obligation to always show that kindness. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get updates on future videos just like this one. Stay up to date on my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Also, don't forget to subscribe by hitting the link that'll pop up here, as well as checking out the playlist for some other amazing clips that you'll see on the screen, and along with my website, mrpeace.org. You can learn more information about all the travels and all the ways that we're spreading peace across this nation to schools just like St. Luke's here. Much love, St. Luke's, McLean, Virginia. Hope to see you guys again soon. Peace.